In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Moomoo app. Whether you're using the desktop app on your computer or accessing Moomoo in a web browser, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect so you can sign out quickly and keep your account secure. Let's start on the desktop app for PC. First, open the Moomoo application. Once it's up, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon there. This is typically your avatar or initials. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, scroll down until you find the Log Out option. Click Log Out, and that's it. You'll be signed out immediately and taken back to the sign-in screen. Keep in mind, simply closing the app window isn't the same as logging out. Using the Log Out option ensures your session ends properly on that device. Now, if you're using Moomoo in a web browser, the process is just as simple. Move your cursor to the top right of the page and hover over your profile icon. A menu will appear with your account options. Click Log Out, and you're done. Your session will close right away in that browser. A few important tips to keep your account safe. Always log out if you're on a shared or public device, like a library computer or a work PC. This prevents anyone else from accessing your account after you step away. Before you log out, make sure you remember your Moomoo ID and password, or have them stored somewhere secure, because you'll need them to sign back in next time. If you've lost a device or no longer use it, remember that removing that device in your account settings can force a logout on that specific device. That way, even if you don't have physical access to it, your session there will be closed. To recap, on the desktop app, open Moomoo, click your profile icon at the top left, scroll down, and select Log Out. In a web browser, hover over the profile icon at the top right, and click Log Out. Both methods sign you out immediately and help protect your account. That's all you need to log out of the Moomoo app quickly and confidently. If you found this helpful, make it a habit to log out whenever you're finished, especially on devices that aren't yours, and keep your credentials secure so getting back in is smooth and hassle-free.